Hello, you are watching the introductory video to eLumen EMP Action Plans. In this video, I will provide you with instructions on how to access training materials and resources, as well as eLumen to complete your eLumen EMP Action Plans. On your screen, you should see the homepage to losmedanos.edu. Using the A through Z index, select P, then locate and click on the link labeled Planning and Institutional Effectiveness. This will take you to the college's Planning and Institutional Effectiveness homepage. Using the scroll bar on the right-hand side of your screen, scroll down and locate the navigation bar on the left-hand side, and we want to select Educational Master Plan 2020-2025. This will take us to the college's EMP 2020-2025 webpage. We want to click on the button labeled Educational Master Plan Implementation. Now you will see before you the college's EMP implementation webpage. Using the scroll bar on the right-hand side of your screen, scroll down to fully view the links to materials and resources. The first header is labeled EMP Implementation Process. Under this, you will find the implementation timeline, training calendar, the EMP Goals and Objectives Crosswalk with college plans and committees, EMP progress measures, and EMP Goals and Objectives. The first document we're going to want to download is EMP Goals and Objectives Crosswalk with college plans and committee charges. So let's click on that link. What you'll see before you is a matrix. On the left-hand side of the matrix is the college's EMP Goals and Objectives. And the right-hand side is the college's plans and committees that have been identified as having goals or charges that align with the college's EMP Goals and Objectives. Please note, you do not need to report on in each academic year all of those aligned goals and objectives. It is recommended that you discuss with your team at least 2 priorities for each academic year that your plan or committee is choosing to focus on. Now we want to download this matrix. Using the downward facing arrow in the upper right hand corner of your screen, we want to select that. We want to save this in a location that's easily accessible and referenced. So I'm going to save it to my desktop. Once we've downloaded it, we're ready to return to the implementation webpage. Selecting the backward facing arrow in the upper left hand corner of your screen, we are now back at the implementation webpage. Now we're ready to download our contributors guide. Using the scroll bar on the right hand side of the screen, we want to scroll down to the header labeled eLumen EMP Training Materials. The second bullet labeled eLumen EMP Contributors Guide. This is the one we want to access so we can download our guide. Select this link, and I'll provide you a brief overview of the first couple pages of the guide. The first page provides a table in which the plans and committees whose charges and or goals align with the college's EMP goals and objectives have been identified. In the next column, you'll see the identified EMP contributors for said plans and committees. In the last column, you'll see those that have been identified as EMP reviewers or responsible parties for said plans or committees. If any of the names have changed, please contact the Office of Planning and Institutional Effectiveness so appropriate revisions can be made to the roles in eLumen. Using the scroll bar on the right-hand side of the screen, we're going to scroll down to the second page. In the second page, you will see the EMP Review Deadlines. Here you will note the time period for entering information into your template, as well as when the sections are due, when the reviewers will provide feedback, and when the last section is reviewed and feedback is provided. The next section on page 2 also highlights materials to gather. You want to have accessible and available your 2021-22 charges or goals, any updates to existing or newly developed plans or initiatives, meeting agendas and minutes, and any research or data you will be referencing as part of your report. It is also encouraged and recommended that prior to entering information into your template, that you discuss the questions and potential responses with your team. Documentation of the outcomes of these discussions should be included or referenced as part of your report. Now we're ready to download the guide. Use the downward facing arrow You want to download this someplace accessible. Some people also prefer to print it, to have a printout copy. I do want to note the template is 19 pages, but that is primarily due to the screenshots that are included with the step-by-step instructions. So I'm going to save this to my desktop. And I'm now ready to return back to the implementation web page so we can access our eLumen template. Using the backward facing arrow in the upper left hand corner of the screen, I am now back at the implementation web page. Under the header eLumen EMP Training Materials, the first bullet pointed link is labeled eLumen. This link will direct you to eLumen. So let's click on it. Before you can access it, it will prompt you to enter your Insight credentials. Once accessed, you want to select your role as EMP contributor. Please note, only the EMP contributors will be able to enter in information into the template for eLumen EMP Action Plans. In the next drop-down, you want to make sure you select the appropriate plan or committee that you will be reporting on. Please note, some people have been identified as EMP contributors for multiple plans or committees. So please make sure you change this option if you're in one of those positions to ensure that the appropriate information is entered and documented for the appropriate plan or committee. For the purpose of this training video, I'm going to use LMC Planning. Ensure strategic planning is highlighted. The tab is labeled Initiatives. The first drop-down box that self-populates to Accreditation Self-Study, we want to click on that arrow and we want to select College Plan. Using the scroll bar on the right-hand side of our screen, we want to scroll down to view our template. Please make sure you click on the link to access your template and not the checkbox. Clicking on the checkbox will not enable you to do anything. So please make sure you click on the link to access your template. Now you will see your eLumen EMP Action Plans template before you. If you would like to download the template questions to share with your team before entering in information, you could click on this link here under the download header and the PDF icon labeled Strategic Initiative Report. Once you click on the link, you will see the questions included in the template before you, and includes the EMP goals and objectives in which you'll be aligning your goals or charges with. Click on the print button in the upper right hand corner, and in order to save it, you want to make sure you select the option that says Save as PDF. Once you've done that, you can click on the Save button and it will prompt you to identify the location. I'm going to place this on my desktop. Once I've done that, it will return me back to the screen with the template questions. Select the back button in the upper right-hand corner of your screen, and this will take you back to your eLumen EMP Action Plans template. Using the scroll bar on the right-hand side of your screen, you are now ready to begin entering in information in section 1 of your template. Thank you for watching this video, and to view on how to enter in information into section 1 of the template, please view that training video.